What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on this crypto called Core, which has literally pumped up in value quite a bit over the last few days, as you guys can see, especially over the last 48 hours. Right now it is at $1.93, has pumped up 58% in the last 24 hours alone. Majority of it came from this afternoon, so we'll be looking at what is next for Core for the rest of December going into January 2025. Is this a crypto to be investing into? Should you sell it? Should you buy it? Or should you simply hold on to it? And how high can it go as well? But before I go into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to head down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the subscriber giveaway. And also, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom here we have the RSI, which is currently at 60.36, which is not too bad. The crypto is performing like it's meant to according to this RSI. However, if we come up here to the candlestick pattern chart, we can see the upper band of the Bollinger Band here, the red line here, is at $1.53 in red here. However, the crypto is trading way above that value at $1.92, nearly hitting $2, meaning the crypto at the moment is slightly overvalued. However, the reason for that is the crypto market is looking very bullish. However, Bitcoin hasn't been performing too well. It's still sitting at $96,000, but I'm expecting it to head up to $97,000, $98,000 over the weekend and early next week, which should push the crypto market in a bullish direction. And we should see Core heading over the $2 mark is where I'm expecting it to trade out over the next couple of hours before it starts hitting red candles, potentially over the next 24 to 48 hours, hitting more red candles and dropping back down in value. But yeah, at the moment guys, it is looking quite bullish, so more green candles are expected over the coming hours before it goes for a minimal price correction, as I mentioned earlier on, over early to mid next week, meaning earlier on in December. So let's get rid of the RSI and the Bollinger Band. On the side here we have the DMARC indicator, which is the green value here at $1.50. This gives us the average value that Core is meant to be trading according to the graph and according to the current market. And however, it is trading again way above the value here, and there's a huge price difference, so that indicates that the crypto is again slightly overvalued and a pullback is expected from the crypto over the next couple of days, guys. So yes, it's pumping right now. However, it's quite steep as well, the line. I'll show you guys that in a bit, but yes, it is slightly overvalued and a price correction is coming soon. And if we bring out the MACD indicator here at the bottom, we can see the lines are looking very bullish, very steep as well, heading in a bullish direction, meaning after the price correction over the next few days, it is likely to pump up once again by early to mid December, trading around $2.30, $2.40 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at, heading closer to $2.80, $2.90 by the end of December, early January. So just below the $3 mark is what I'm expecting. So again, it's not a major pump or a major breakout, but small and steady increases in value. So let's zoom in into the 4-hour chart, guys, to have a look at its chart, how it's been performing. And there's not much to say here. Reason being is since early mid-October, it has been fluctuating at just below the dollar mark, as between 90 cents and $1.10. It's been up and down, but it has more or less been fluctuating. And if I draw a graph from about early October all the way up until a few days ago, we can see that yeah, there is a slight incline. However, more or less it's been straight, guys, so there hasn't been much movement, and it clearly shows that this crypto has not been affected by the pump earlier on in November, where crypto literally just pumped up in value, and Core has not been affected in any way, shape or form. So this is my prediction on Core, guys. I'm not expecting a major breakout. However, it should be able to head just over under $3 by the end of December. But I've seen a lot of people is saying it's likely to hit $5 and so on, which I'm not expecting at the moment, because again, it's not following a similar pattern to the crypto market or any trends, so it's just doing its own thing more or less. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume has gone up 370%, making it over $400 million in trading, guys. And if we look at the monthly chart, yes, there's been times where it has pumped up in value. However, overall it has, at the moment it is the highest trading volume it has been over the last couple of weeks. So it is performing very well, and it is expected to carry on hitting more green candles over the next couple of hours and days as well. So yeah, that is my take and my prediction on core, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And I'm gonna end the video here. Before I click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.